Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is the 2nd of February 2022 and is our first strategy today. We're going to drop 6 strategies today across our 3 channels. So just to let you guys know, we've updated the TOUCHSCALPER bot today. It has been completely reprogrammed, so it's now more effective and has a lower risk features. So we've already updated it to trade high low. Today the version 6.4 is out, and we have sent it to all those who have previously purchased the bot. You can see the version 6.4 is lower risk, and you can see right there it's out today, 2nd of February 2022. For those who haven't purchased the bot, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the bot. It's just $9.99 USD. And for those who have purchased the bot, check your email. We've sent this update to you guys. Check your email and run the bot on your account. You can see the results right here. So the PIPSREAPER bot as well. The bot is the PIPSREAPER bot. This is the TOUCHSCALPER bot right here, and this is the PIPSREAPER bot right here, which is $7.99 USD. The PIPSREAPER bot has been updated today as well. It has been updated today, 2nd of February 2022. So you can see the updates right here, and we've sent it to all those who have previously purchased the bots. Check your emails. To order the PIPSREAPER bots, visit www.binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, and other payment options on the order page. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. As stated earlier, we're going to drop 6 strategies today, 2nd of February 2022, 2 across each of the channels, and these are the channels right here. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bot. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER bot, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot. We're going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel. This is the 2nd channel, and this is the 3rd channel. So let's get back to the trading. So here we'll be trading the Volatility 25 index on the webtrader.binary.com interface, and you can see we've logged in. So once you've logged in, you go to the trade, you go to synthetic indices, you go to Volatility 25 index. So we're going to be using the Volatility 10 index chart. You go to the chart right here, you go to continuous indices, then you open the Volatility 10 index chart. You change this time interval to 1 tick, then you drag this very close for you to be able to see this movement. You drag it close, it will be here by default. This is what I mean. You can see how it looks. You drag it very close. So we're going to set this, you click on lower, right there, then you set the durations to 5 ticks. You set the barrier offset to plus 0.298. then you enter your payout, depends on what you have in your account. So we're going to be clicking on purchase once this thing is right up here. Once it is up here, we're going to be clicking on purchase. You see it's going right up, it's up, so we click on purchase right here. Okay, there you go. You can see we want that trade right there. We want that trade. So we're going to place the trade again. Let's go again. So let's watch it. Let it rebound. Let it go down and go right up again before we place another trade. So it is down already. So once it's up, we're going to place it. It's up right there. So okay. So we want that trade. Let's place one more trade before we go to our next strategy. So let's watch it again. Let's just wait for like a minute. Let it rebound. Let it go up and down. Okay, let's go for the last trade there. Let's go for the last trade. Okay, you can see we won all the trades, so you can go on and on and on. Just watch the chart movement carefully, let it go down, goes up before you place a trade. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.